had me on my Urkel. Heart just turned.
I don't understand this, and maybe I sound like a hater, but this post by Capital Expand on Instagram with a nice little Drake overlay says millionaire blueprint, 6 business credit cards, EIN only, Lily, Divvy, Plexi, Clear, Sam's Club, MasterCard, Best Buy, then gas business cards, Shell 5,000, BP 7,000, Exxon 5,000, Chevron 10,000, Racetrack 5,000. Now, what the hell is this going to do for you? All I need to know is, what is this going to do for you? The reality is that most people who actually even apply for these are looking to escape the fact that they can't get personal credit, which means that you won't even qualify for most of these. I mean, yeah, you can get these Shell and BP and Exxon and Chevron cards, but how much gas do you need? When it comes down to Lily, Divvy, Plexi, Clear, Sam's Club, they got qualifications. One of them being they're going to look at your personal credit. If your personal credit is effed up, none of this stuff even applies to you. And if you do have good personal credit, you don't have to go this route to get business funding. Now, this post has 2,702 likes as of December 3rd, 2023. Why do we keep doing this to ourselves? Why do we keep letting stuff like this get popular? Now, I know I may sound like a hater, but I don't give a damn. At this point, all I'm trying to do is figure out what's what and who's who. Because these people that y'all listening to are going to bury you. They're going to bury you in debt, unreasonable debt. Not to be confused with Reasonable Doubt, one of my favorite albums by Jay-Z. But it's going to get your LLC effed up. It's going to have you with a bunch of bloated credit that you can't use and are getting charged for absolutely no reason. Stop falling for the bypass blueprint, buying people's courses on crap that you can't even take advantage of until you get your personal life and personal finances in order. I'm not going to expound on this thing too much more because honestly, it's just quite frankly ridiculous. Let's move on to the next clip. Listen, guys, if you like this video and you want to see more content just like it, make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that you get alerts every time I drop a new video. Now, a lot of people who watch my content, just like most people in America, are facing credit challenges and don't really know what to do and don't know where to turn because you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money trying to fix your credit, but you want a viable option to make sure that you do the best job possible. A few months back, I dropped a brand new platform that will allow you to challenge anything on your credit that's inaccurate, unfairly reported, being reported untimely, or is unverifiable by the credit bureaus. And it will allow you to do it for a fraction of the cost of professional credit repair. I want you to go to beastdiy.com right now and check out your options. If it seems like it might be a good fit, give it a shot. Other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for your support because I know you can get your credit knowledge anywhere on the internet, but you're here with me. Be blessed.